Next, we are going to design this. Now to design this, first of all, we'll select a backdrop. So here I'm selecting sky, this one. Now we are going to select our rocket sprite. So this sprite we are selecting, and we are reducing the size of the sprite from 100 to 50. So this is our sprite. Now we'll go to events, and in events, when green flag is clicked, now we are going to set the position of the sprite. So we'll go to motion, and in motion go to X. Here we'll say that value of X coordinate is 0 and Y coordinate is minus 120. So this is the position of rocket at 0, x0 and y minus 120. Now we'll go to looks, and in looks say hello for 2 seconds, and instead of hello we are going to say 5. We are going to start a countdown. So say 5 for 1 second, say 4 for 1 second, then say 3 for 1 second, say 2 for 1 second, say 1 for 1 second, and in the end go. For 1 second. Then we'll go to control block, and in the control block we'll select repeat until, and in this hexagon we are going to put this one. We'll go to operators and select this one, and in this round box, in this circle, we are going to put position. Y from motion, so here we can put this, and here we are setting condition that rocket should go till Y position is greater than 150, and here we'll be changing Y axis by 5, so change Y by 5. So whenever we'll run this, we click on go. Here we can see that this countdown has started. 2, 1 and go. Now it will start flying up to Y coordinate 150.